Hey, what's up guys, it's me, Birdboi here, and I'm just gonna show off my birds. All my birds, because my name is Birdboi. So, we're gonna get started right now. This is my Kanye, Havana. She's eating a pebble right here. And, yeah, so she's a good bird. She's really rowdy for some reason. But she's cool. Also have my cocktail Sydney. Now she's used to me. She kind of just wants to be with Havana. She's still a good bird, but she is still good though. And also she's like the best tame bird I have. And here is my cool bird, Kiwi. Kiwi. Oh yeah, she actually talks more. So hey birdie. So she says peekaboo a lot. And she's eating right now, so I think we should focus on the big one. There's actually not a bird in here. This is actually Havana's cage. Yeah, there's one. There's a cage right there, but like, yeah. That's gonna be both for a new bird. Here's my big bird, Cabo. Cabo is a rowdy bird. What are you doing? She's a good bird. She loves to scream because Kiwi is friends with Cabo, so they kind of just have like friends together. But it's time to show off the finches. The finches up here. They're kind of hard to see, but there are some finches up there. There also, I have a lot of budgies. Not budgies. I actually have these finches right here are puppy blue. Oh, what's up, Sydney? These birds are from a pet store. These birds, we have 2 budgies in here. I actually have more budgies in here since, but these ones love to come out. So, yeah. So, off these 2 cockatiels in here. So, we have, Perf. She's a Montagone cockatiel. And she attacked this one right here. And she right here is an old one, but like, she's still a good one. I have the budgies. So we have my two green budgies out down here. And also music's playing, by the way, because like, that's how the birds like to relax. And then we have this baby right here. Her name is Alaska. And yeah, so right now she is a good one. She is a baby one. Why are you chewing on my hand? Now we have this one, which is Portland. Portland is actually dead of Bakersfield in Alaska. Yeah, so that's my budgies. Time for the last not least bird, and it's the banana Bali. Bali's a wingneck. She doesn't have wings because she's like a male, and males don't. And I don't know what kind of birds have these. Yeah, and she likes to like do that. But even though that she's a good bird, she is still another one, and it's a rabbit. I kind of just wanted to show off this rabbit because I thought it could be cool to show off this rabbit. He likes to eat alfalfa and carrots, and because that's what bunnies eat. And yeah, those are all my birds. Thanks for being in this video, guys. I have a lot of birds. I have more finches. They were kind of just not shown because some of them are in their nests. So guys, bye. Now I said the video was gonna end though, but I just wanted to say I wanted to see if Cindy says goodbye. So goodbye guys.